welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are replacing the battery on this LiftMaster garage door opener. As you can see, when I press the button, something happened that time, but it's very sporadic. So indication of a weak battery. This is really easy, a quick DIY, easy to replace. It has your clip and it has a slot here and a slot here. First, you can open either slot. It really doesn't matter which one. As you can see, preference-wise on this one. So once you open it, it flips out and my battery falls out. The battery I'm replacing it with is the 2032 Energizer battery. So let's get that in there. This is my new 2032 battery, and it's as simple as sliding it into the slot, making sure everything is tight, because if it's loose, there's no connection. You check it out, and as you can see, it's blinking. So these little prongs have to actually hold that battery in for it to have connection and work. So let's put it back together now. And click it back together. It's back together. And then you put your visor clip back in, and we are good. That's how you change the battery on your LiftMaster garage door opener. There'll be a link down in the description for either getting a replacement or getting some batteries. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.